Hey movie fans, welcome to our channel. Looking across the global film landscape, countless renowned directors have emerged, and among them, Hayao Miyazaki stands out like a dazzling star, illuminating the vast expanse of the animated film sky. Hayao Miyazaki, the visionary co-founder of Studio Ghibli, has redefined animation with timeless classics like Spirited Away, My Neighbor Totoro, and Princess Mononoke. His hand-drawn worlds blend whimsy and depth, exploring themes of environmentalism, humanity, and wonder. With a career spanning over 50 years, Miyazaki's films are celebrated for their artistic beauty and emotional resonance, earning an Oscar and global acclaim. Someone said that Hayao Miyazaki's movies are fairy tales for children and allegories for adults. His brush paints stormy skies, silent forests, and a courage and warmth deep within the heart. Yet when these works fade and blur with the passage of time, it feels as though a layer of mist has settled over our memories. How can you remove the mist and make Brie movies shine again? VidHex Video Enhancer. What sets VidHex apart is its all-in-one, AI-driven approach that elevates video quality to a whole new level. Equipped with advanced AI models, it performs an in-depth analysis of your footage to deliver professional-grade results. Noise reduction, face refinement, colorization, and frame interpolation are easy to achieve, while automatic adjustments of brightness, contrast, and saturation require no extra effort. VidHex also can upscale all the 720p or 1080p videos to Crest 4K resolution, making them appear native on high-definition screens. Now, in just a few steps, you can clear away the mist and make your movie shine again. Step 1. Visit VidHex Video Enhancer website and download it. Step 2. Launch the program and click at File S to import the target movie. Step 3. In the pop-up window, select a suitable AI model and set the output parameters like format, bitrate, resolution, and more. Step 4. Click the Export Full Video button to get the enhanced movie. When the screen becomes clear, VidHex Video Enhancer allows us to see the long-missed world once again. What we've enhanced is not only the picture, but also the memories and emotions it evokes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.